This, of course, is the new CT15 Plus backpack, the regular aerobic material version by CTactical. So I'm so glad that they took the limited edition bag design and pushed it out to the mainstream. So this thing, I think, sold out in very, very quickly. I hope they restock it. But this is just a wonderful backpack. It has all the new features that they have been testing in the small production run bags. But, and they do this on most of the bag. They use very basic zipper pulls, right? These bags are extremely good value, so I'm not complaining at all. But with such a nice bag, I want to switch out the pulls. The center pulls are all basically gutted paracord style sleeves, and they're very, very thin. It doesn't fit the rest of this really nice bag. And there's some functional issues. So one of the big ones that I have is on the side access laptop zipper. This one, it often hits the little zipper here for the water bottle, especially when it is on the side this way. Sometimes, depending on where this one is, as you pull this on or off, this guy gets caught in it, or they get pushed inside and then get lodged in. So in some of the newer bags in the group buy, they have increased the distance, and even this one, maybe that's the case, the distance between this zipper and that zipper to keep it from colliding. But I don't really use the outside pocket that much, so one thing I want to do is change out the zipper pulls on the water bottle pockets for something smaller. So number one. Number two is the laptop compartment zipper is kind of unique, right? It's on one side. I do need to get to it quickly, and I need to know which side it is. So I want to switch this one out to be something a little bit easy to recognize. Maybe the same for the QAP, the quick access pocket on top. So these two, I may want it to stand out a little bit more. On the front and mid, I don't really use this as much. It's more for decorations. So I've hooked on a little flashlight. And I'm actually reduced this and have this hooked right onto the metal part. So that, and then for the main two zippers, right? And these guys, I want to switch them out so that they're easier to use. So I bought a bunch of, actually, no-name brand zipper pulls from Amazon. I just want to give this a try. I'll put the link in the description below. These are basically black with, I don't know how you call it, a pattern on the string part. So I think that's cool for the water bottle. They're small, right? And then I have same size and style white ones, which I think will stand out very well as the main pulls. And then I got these glow-in-the-dark guys. I never used them before, though I don't know how big they are. They come in two different types. These round ones, I think they're kind of nice, a little bit better than the standard ones, but not too loud. And then these other guys are really, really big and chunky. So I can't decide whether to use this or that on the laptop thing, but let's try it out. So do this with me. I'm gonna bring the camera in a little bit so that you can see better. So let's start with the water bottle ones, right? These are easy. And I guess I just have to undo this zipper. Undo this pull completely. And as I said, it's really just a webbing or a sleeveless paracord. So that's what that is. I'll put this aside, and I'm going to use these guys to loop through fully. So bottom hole. Actually, I want to do it this way. So bottom, come back out on top, and then loop this through. So that, right? And then this guy, let me just take this one off. And I know if you're watching this video, you're probably a bag nerd like me. I mean, who spent so much time on the bags, right? So this one, I cannot decide whether to use this one or this one. Let's try the big chunky one just to see. So I want this to come in this way. So again, this loop back up here, and voila. Yeah, I think that looks good, right? And then I'm going to do the main zipper just to see whether the white ones work. So let me do it this way so that you can see this with me. Again, untied the knots here. So I guess if I need to, I can always put these back. I'm not sure why I would need these original ones back, because even these basic ones I think are improvement over the original. But let's take this off. So let's put these in. Again, I want it to go this way on the top. So down, up, and through. One more. Down, up. And put that through. So put this out of the way. I think that looks pretty sharp, right? And then obviously, easy to open. What do you think? Now that I just did that, I realized maybe it would be nice if the zippers are different so that I can feel for them easier, right? So do I put these guys on here, maybe? Let's try it. Let's try that. So I want to try to see how this works anyway. So these guys, one of the goal of this is that I usually use paracord, kind of make my own zipper pulls, but they are chunkier. And this bag, because of the aerobic material, it seems like I just want it to be a little understated. So I don't want big chunky zipper pulls, although they look really good. And that's why I bought these the little ones, right? They're very small, but I think they fit the style. And I also want to keep the color scheme simple. Normally I would put orange or navy blue or sharp blue paracord, but again here I'm going with the staying with the black and white theme here. So black bag, white pools, and the glow in the dark is kind of white gray. Well, these guys, let's try to use these ones. So again, get this thing in here, and they glow in the dark. Not that I use this bag a lot in the dark, but they look kind of nice anyway, right? So now, if they are both down on this side, and I'm going to reach across, I can tell this is the front, whereas these ones are the main ones. So that's actually not bad. Let's see how it looks. I like that. They're kind of low-key. So let's put the other one on this side as well. And come on. Yeah, what do you think? I think it's good. It's more subtle, right? But still easier to use, so there's a practical purpose, but it also looks nicer. So thank you for spending the time doing this super nerdy back enthusiast work here. But here you go, a couple of zipper. I'll put links to all these guys below. They're not very expensive. They're no-name Amazon ones that, at least from the picture, it looks good, and it turned out that they actually work well as well.